Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you one of our local dishes in Nigeria, in the Yoruba speaking part of Nigeria, and it is Ekuru. Ekuru is made from beans. It looks like Moin-Moin, and but it is not Moin-Moin, and it's very good. We love eating it a lot. If you want to know how this is done, just come along with me and let's do it together. For our ekuru, we need beans. These beans has been peeled. I bought them peeled. So all I'll be doing is just to soak it and let it be well soaked, very soft for me to blend. Or you can get your beans and peel it yourself, anyone you want. But the major ingredient here is the beans for our ekuru. And the leaves, I love using leaves in mine because the leaves releases its flavor into it. I finished blending the beans, and as you see, it's very fluffy. The best way to enjoy your ekuru is when you finish cooking the ekuru, and the ekuru you put it in your plate and it's crumbling. That's the best way I know to enjoy my ekuru. And the way you can achieve the fluffiness is you just blend your beans and make sure you keep on stirring it till it's very fluffy. Like the women back in Nigeria, when they make the ekuru, you know, they use this mortar and pestle, and they begin to stir and stir and stir until it is very fluffy, and you actually see it as if it's doubled in size, and that gives it the fluffiness, and that is what you are trying to achieve. But there's no point using mortar and pestle. You just use your blender. I love to use my hand blender when I'm blending beans for my moin-moin or for makara, because I get to control the water in it. Now it's time to put the blended beans into the leaves, and this is how I do mine, because if I don't take this off, it won't be easy for me, it won't be flexible for me to work with. And I put it on my palm, I fold it this way and fold it this way. This is it. Just fold it a little bit just to close it up, and you have your cone shape, and you just blend it, bend it there, and that's it. Cone shape. I hope you can see the inside. So with that, now what we do is just put the beans in it. No salt, nothing added to it. Then I close it. And how do I close it? Put the leaves together, the edges together like that. Then just roll. Keep on rolling. And at the end, just bend it, and that's it. Simple. I'll do another one. The leaves, take out the stalk inside to make it flexible for me to work with. The leaves are washed, and if you ask me where can you get the leaves, you get them from the Afro-Caribbean stores. Then, like we did the other time, this way to the back, fold it in just to lock it, and you bend there. You get your cone shape, and you put your beans there. And that is it. To lock, you put the edges together and you begin to roll. This rolling method is mostly good for beginners, but the expert, they don't need to roll, they know how to do it. Bam, they've done it, it's done. So I'm going to be finishing this one, and I'll show you what to do next. I'm going to be lining my pot with the leaves. with some leaves, and this will keep it from burning. Mostly they use leaves that are not good to wrap the beans. The texture should be like that of in between akara and moin-moin, not too watery for moin-moin, because if it is too watery, it's not going to hold together when you finish cooking, and you want the fluffiness. And if it's too thick, it's going to be hard when you are eating it. Now I'm going to be pouring some water to cook it. It's better you put little water. You check as it keeps cooking than to overflood it. Now I'm going to cover. This will keep the steam from escaping, because you know Moin-Moin Ekuru is basically cooked with steam. And I'll cover it, allow it to cook, then I'll show you. Our Ekuru is done, so let's see how it looks like. You see what I mean? Look at it. Ekuru. See? When it is cold, it's going to be very fluffy. Even you can see the way it is now. This is how it is served with the sauce, Ekuru sauce or atadidin. You can also use it to eat rice. If you want to know how I made the sauce, you watch my video. You need to watch my video on how I made Egbo. It's the same procedure for the sauce, so you can follow the procedure and use it for this Ekuru. Now I'm going to eat it, put it into my mouth. You just need to try this. You know, there's no salt in the Ekuru, so the salt from the sauce has given it a wow factor. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover, and as you discover, you enjoy it more. Today we have discovered how to cook Ekuru. We don't need to add salt or anything to it. You know, the flavor is there already. What you need to do is make your sauce, get it right. And if you want to know how to make the sauce I use in serving it, you have to watch my video on how to make Egbo. It's the same way of cooking the sauce, so just watch it, follow it, and you're going to enjoy it with Ekuru. The combination is perfect. If you love what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and your family, subscribe if you have not, and don't forget to press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. It's time for me to go and enjoy my Ekuru with the sauce. Till next time, bye.